In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate an image on your Google site. While working on Google Sites, you might find that there isn't a straightforward option to rotate images directly within the platform. But don't worry, I'll guide you through a simple workaround to ensure your images appear just the way you want them. First things first, you'll need to navigate to your Google site. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL or simply search for Google Sites to access it quickly. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to see either the option to create a new site or choose one of your existing sites that you're working on. Click on the site where you'd like to upload your image. Now, when you have your site open and ready, you might notice that Google Sites doesn't provide a built-in image rotation feature. This can be a little inconvenient if you're trying to adjust your images to fit the overall look of your site. But here's where we get creative with our approach. What you'll need to do is head over to your desktop or the folder where your image is stored. Make sure you're using an image editing tool you're comfortable with. Most operating systems come with basic photo editing software that allows you to rotate images easily. Open your image with one of these tools. Look for the rotate option. It's often found in the toolbar, usually represented by an icon that looks like an arrow curving around itself or simply labeled as rotate. Here you can rotate the image either clockwise or counterclockwise until it is oriented the way you want it to appear on your site. Once you're satisfied with the look, remember to save the changes you made. With your image now rotated correctly, it's time to upload it back to your Google site. Go back to your Google site, then find and click on the options to either upload or insert an image. This will open a dialog box, allowing you to browse through your files. Locate your freshly rotated image, select it, and click Open. The image should now upload to your site with the orientation you want. And that's basically it. You're now done and should see your properly oriented image on your site just as you intended it to be. This workaround, while not as seamless as having a built-in tool in Google Sites, is a reliable method to ensure your images are always displayed correctly. Remember, whenever you find yourself needing to rotate an image for Google Sites, you can easily do it on your desktop before uploading it. This quick detour will save you time in the long run and keep your site looking polished and professional. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful.